Oh, it's crazy. Let's go, let's go.
Hello.
You arrive here, you need to know that it's your turn, okay? And then
My first impression was amazing because I'm an actor, and being an actor, walking in the studio is always fun, but usually the studios are empty till they build it up, and then suddenly walking to this area, seeing such an amazing Thames over here, it makes me feel happy.
It's been a long time since I've been to a water park, since I was like, I don't know, 13 or something, so I'm excited to get to feel like a kid again.
Was really excited. I like the activity, like the sports and activities. So yeah, really fun place.
Park is so beautiful. I want to try all the rides and slides. I'm so excited. If I had a chance, I will try it.
ที่สุดคือมันน่าจะเป็นที่สวนน้ำที่ใหญ่ที่สุดเท่าที่ผมเคยเห็นมาเลยนะ
ตอนแรกที่ผมเข้ามาคือมันใหญ่มากครับแล้วก็มีหลายโซนให้เล่นมากผมอยากลองเล่นทั้งเซิร์ฟบอร์ดทั้งโกลด์บัสเตอร์แล้วก็ตรงที่เป็นสวนน้ำที่ใหญ่ด้วย
I was really surprised because it's really huge, it's really big. I'm looking forward to try everything. Look really amazing actually.
When I just come here, I feel myself like I'm in cartoon and I want to try all in one time, but I decided to start from karting.
I would like to try the tallest over here to see how it will be. I'm sure it's very exciting to try.
I'm so excited. I want to try everywhere. Everything is here.
Yeah, it's a really nice place. Yeah, it's really cool. And I want to take my sister and my brother to come here and chilling. Yeah, it's really good for holiday.
Yeah, it's a very big theme park and has a lot of character. I'm so excited to play around here.
It's truly amazing. Like it's so creative and like full of energy.
나는 이제 더운 나라를 되게 좋아하고 그리고 이제 너무 이쁜 풍경들을 너무 많이 보고 있어서 그 마음이 되게 행복합니다.
Мне нравится серфинг, потому что мой стайл голос очень подходит под этот аттракцион. Да и я с самого детства занимаюсь этим. Я постоянно стою на водных лыжах, катаюсь на сноуборде. Это моя жизнь.
Welcome to Manhot Star International 2025 swimsuit competition.
Soon he will be like me. Soon. Photo will see.
This is actually for adult. I would like this, but I prefer this one. It's more faster. Just wait for my ride.
never been go-karting before. I didn't expect it. I thought we were just going to do bumper cars. But no, it was a lot of fun. You can actually go fast. I think I got the hang of it too. I felt confident. It's a lot different than driving a bike, but I drive every day in Bangkok on a little Honda Click. This was a little bit different, but a lot of fun.
How about you?
About me, very cool curves. I really feel car very good and like very near to use drift, but go fast without this one. So I enjoy too much. Nobody go faster than me.
Oh, very good, very good.
Good job.
I like it. So fast, interesting. Like big race.
It's been a very long time since I didn't drive. Wow. I have no words. It's just amazing. I love it so much.
Oh, this is mommy. He's so cute.
I want one of these.
Okay, so for me,
I want one of these, maybe for him.
and for me, I will take this one.
What? Oh, so cute. Yeah.
Maybe I don't know. Yeah, something like that can be good. Yeah. Yeah, perfect size.
Perfect size. Perfect size.
Okay. Wow.
That's how you did it up.
Your first time?
No, it's my first time.
Really?
Yeah.
You handled it very well.
Oh, thank you very much. I used to skateboard when I was younger.
Yeah, I think you need to try it a few times until you get balance. This is my first time. I've never did before. But the other one is so good. But I cannot like handle my balance. But totally good. It was extremely cool. I like it. It's not well done for me, but maybe if I practice more, it's gonna be better.
Crazy!